What's up, guys? Today we're installing the full width strip tail light for my Tesla Model 3. I'm here with my friend Chase. He's a mechanic. He's gonna help us put it on and show us how to do it. Let's get to it. All right, so this is all that comes with the full width tail light. So here's the tail light, the connectors, two connectors, and then the adhesion promoter. All right, so let's get to installing.
So I'm gonna pop this out real quick. Should pop out pretty easily. And work around. It should be held in by some clips. Just pop it out one by one. You have a connector back here.
All right, so on this one, you just gotta pull it out. Nice.
I'm gonna go ahead and start by disconnecting the connectors. All you have to do is pop this down, and it should pull right out. Do that on both sides, like that. All right, so you need to get an 8mm socket of some kind, any kind if you want, and just start taking it off. I have the magnetic socket in there. It would pop out like that. Just be careful with it. We'll set those to the side. Give a little hit. There we go.
Don't forget there's washers here, so you don't want to lose these. Just keep them there or put them up so you don't lose them.
All right, so first, before you install this, you want to go ahead and take your adhesive off right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put it on and we're going to route it through the holes and make sure all of our connectors are connected and wired correctly.
Also, you want to make sure you clean this with some alcohol wipes or anything like that so there's no debris and it can stick better to the car. So after you clean it, you want to put the adhesive promoter. All right, so whenever you put it on, you want to make sure you route it through this hole and then through this hole right here so you can get it in the back, and then you can put the connectors on.
So next up, you want to put the taillight back on carefully. There we go. Next up, you want to put the screws and bolts back in. So now we install our connectors here. This connector is going to go into here. Brake lights. It only goes in one direction, so you won't have a problem figuring that out. Just like that. And just kind of put it back up in here.
And then you do the same thing on this side.
Put your connector back in, just the way you took it out, and not push the button. And just fasten it up in here into the holes that it goes. And then fasten that on there.
All right, so now I'm gonna press the brake and show you all the lights and everything like that, turn signals and everything. Pressing the brake. Now put the left turn signal. Now do the right turn signal. All right, so I do have a discount code for 27% off, and y'all can use it. I'll put my discount code in the description.